Hey, welcome to the Guys Only Trip 2014. Like every other year, we had a great time this year and we hope you enjoy our video. You'll notice a few new faces and you're going to notice that we didn't pack any tents along because we had an honest-to-God roof over our head. But the fun, the adventures, the riding, it was all great and we had a great time. Hope you enjoy watching it.
Double taxation.
All right, this was our accommodations last night. I didn't do much video yesterday, a little bit on the way down. This is Ray's Ranch. I don't remember what it's called. Something Maple. Ray's a Canadian. He lives here in the States for a long time now, and this is his cattle operation. He doesn't live here, but he has kind of a bunkhouse set up out here, and that's where we're staying this time. Look alive, pencil neck.
Oh, I was just getting ready to take my pants off. You timed it perfectly. Now I can do a little tease for you, maybe.
I got
Yeah.
some butter over here.
Good God. And these guys are making the toast. Boy.
Pretty tough job.
Yeah, something that matches your culinary talent.
And you have to touch it with my toast.
Toast. Oh.
It was ironic that we were hunting, deer hunting that week, and I always tell all my managers, I said, you know, do not call me unless the store's burning down.
Oh, jeez. Seriously.
And Nathan and I are driving by.
Breakfast and crown. Just kidding.
Well, however you want to get your...
Now we're going to get you high.
Can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
Ray, what are you going to do while we're gone today?
I gotta go get some hay. And then I got.
That sounds...
There's lots of progress.
Well, I've got to tell you, the driveway in and out of Ray's Ranch was about the most interesting surface I've ever ridden my motorcycle over. And I think that's probably true for everybody else involved. There was a creek crossing. Mostly it was kind of dry, crumbly rock. It wasn't like it would get muddy, but it would get greasy if it were wet. And thankfully, it was dry the entire time we were there. This is a shortened version of us leaving the ranch on Saturday morning, but wow, it was about a 5 to 10 minute ride at the speeds you could make on that thing to safely get out to the highway. I've got half a notion to publish a video just of the ride leaving the ranch. Well, our destination for Saturday's ride was Houston, Missouri. We just took Highway 17 south until we got to Houston, and it was really pretty nice riding. The road surface was good, the traffic was pretty light, some elevation changes and sweeping turns. It was just really a pleasant ride, and the trees and kind of riding through the forest area there really made it a scenic ride too. So we were really enjoying it, and knowing that we were gonna go down there and go through the Piney River Brewing Company at the end of our ride kind of made it even better. Place along the river? Yeah, I thought about stopping by there on the way back out to the brewery.
That's what I was telling them.
I got a pair of shorts. I'll
Grab
jump
a
in
couple
that.
beers, go sit there.
I wish.
There were shaded areas down in there.
You know what I wished? I was wishing I had some shorts or swimming trunks along. I'd have been tally-ho and motherfucker off of that.
I will. Come by there.
Guys, got a new fucking underwear or shorts.
Oh yeah, great shades of Wild Hogs. Then we get some queer friggin' statement.
Oceans of Fun last weekend, I figured I'd be the great white blimp. Jackie's like, damn, you're kind of skinny compared to some of these others.
Yeah, but don't you? Yeah, but don't you remember that scene on Wild Hogs where all they decide to go skinny dipping in that one pool and that state patrolman?
Yes.
Marco.
Remember?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't pack any. Yeah, you got all your gear on your motorcycle, don't you? See, I don't. Y'all be walking down here like a bunch of pervs. Oh, people in the water. Let's go check it out.
You're holding up the camera. So, yeah, you're those perfect camera.
Well, we're sightseeing. I don't know.
How deep does it get over there by the ledge? Anybody know? Deep enough to jump off? Really? Oh, sure. There's the trail, you guys. There's the diving ledge.
Oh,
Huh.
yeah. Why can't we go back to the place? Get some shorts?
Okay. So Mike borrowed a pair of shorts from Randy, and he's gonna go jump off of the place up yonder. What? And this gentleman said that last week there were people doing it. And oh, yeah, you're going skiing down the boat ramp? Yeah, don't fall on your ass before you give us the main show. Okay. And he said no, he'd row Michael over there in the boat so Michael could jump out and see how deep it was.
You're gonna trust your son with the stranger?
Yeah.
Hey, he's 19. He can handle it.
He probably only outweighs the stranger by about, what, 40 pounds?
And 3 teeth.
No, now.
So that stranger's gonna be floating under the influence. That's what he said. I'll boat you over. I'll row you over there.
So that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
It's all Randy's damn fault, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now you're going to want to do it again. Well, I got one pair of shorts and they ain't going to fit me.
They fit me.
Water's dirty. I can't swim up and below your belly button.
Okay, now you feel like a He-Man, don't you?
Yeah, because I kind of screamed like a little girl on the way down.
Yeah, especially when that little kid just went off and he didn't scream at all.
Well, it's like you jump, and then all of a sudden it opens up and it looks even farther down. Yeah.
Christmas because he already had one. He bought me one.
All right, who's next?
We could actually take it off the edge with us.
I would if I had some shorts.
There, I'll break the camera. Trout with his beer. Randy, turn around, Randy. His beer. There's my beer.
There's me with no beer.
There.
See, Mom, I'm a minor.
All right, we can go back in.
One of the nice things about riding a Victory bike is that other Victory owners will kind of find you. And in this case, one of the locals was a Victory owner, and he kind of worked it with the owner so that maybe we could get a tour of their brewing facility. So it was really nice to meet Bill.
I think we're going to head out here after the tour.
Yeah?
Yeah, we got a ways to go to head back, but thanks for getting us hooked up. She wasn't doing that just for anyone, was she?
She's doing it for you.
That's what I figured.
Take care.
Thank you, Bill. What sucks about going to a brewery? Absolutely nothing, except trying to get everybody to leave.
Oh, it's that good, I guess.
Yeah, there they are. We're kind of trying to get them out of the door.
They're close.
They're getting there. I don't know.
Hey, there's another bike. And I missed out on this place. This place is great, by the way. Piney River Brewing Company. These guys are nice. Yeah, this is what this trip is all about. This kind of shit. Like today, we had a really good time.
Recapping this year's trip, some things came to mind. We got a chance to ride our bikes on the original Route 66. It was rough, but still it was pretty cool. And I forgot to mention that Dustin and Mike were both riding new bikes this year, which you may have noticed are both victories, taken after the old man. Having Spencer and Randy join in the trip this year was great. Both great guys. And the hospitality of Randy's brother-in-law Ray, it was outstanding. He was a great host. He fit right in with us guys. It was truly an experience in itself. A couple of months after we made this trip, Dustin was married to his longtime girlfriend Chelsea, and he's now in training to become a Nebraska State Trooper. And I guess as we all move through our individual lives, it's kind of nice to share a weekend like this. And I really can't stress enough how much I enjoy these weekend adventures. To get the fun, camaraderie, the magic of discovering new places and stuff, it just can't fully be captured on video. So you just have to trust me when I tell you, trips like this should be on everybody's bucket list. I didn't take a lot of video on the way back to the ranch that afternoon, nor on the ride home, simply because I wanted to just enjoy the trip, the ride, and everything that was going on. So this is going to wrap up our video for this year's trip. I hope you enjoyed sharing in our yearly adventure, and thank you for watching.